There's 3 autographs in here?
Yes.
3. Mm-hmm.
And I got a redemption.
That could be good.
It's good though, because it's an honor at least.
Frank
Yeah.
Thomas. I don't think I've seen a Frank Thomas card in
In
golly.
years. Well, you got to
Remember,
go.
Yul Dervish is a
Who?
Yul Dervish is a redemption. He's the young phenom pitcher.
This guy?
Who's that?
Verlander.
Zimmerman.
Rasmus.
Ramos Ramirez.
You notice they left the thing off so I
Yeah,
can get
so you
in
can
it?
take it out.
Hey, got that in there so I can open that up.
You get a free magnetic at least.
Those are kind of weird magnetics.
It's not magnetic. It's
Yeah.
actually a clip card or something.
How do you open that sucker?
Like that.
No, it snaps, so how you open that thing? You have to break once you crack it open, you break it.
Let's
There's
see
2
who's on the back.
autographs out of that.
You know, something
Tribute.
blue.
Dawson,
It's Josh Hamilton calling it.
Brian Sandberg, Brooks Robinson,
Boom.
Josh Hamilton,
Jersey.
4. Hey, could as well go for the other 2 now.
Unless you get the autograph.
Why would I just leave the 1?
I don't know. Because that'd be the best one if you left it last pack.
This is Babe Ruth or something.
Yep. Oh, I see Joey D.
Joe DiMaggio.
Nice. What's that number
That
2?
would have been better than an auto.
I'd take that over an auto all day. Is that numbered?
It ain't got a number on it.
Yeah. Oh, there it
Oh,
is.
9 to 25.
That's really nice, Don.
See, that's better than.
That's better than anybody. Well, probably most guys' autos in here.
Carl your Skrinsky.
I like the way those
So
look.
this one's got to be the autograph.
Yes.
Oh, it's Mickey Man.
Woohoo!
We'd both shit blue bricks if it was. Garrett.
Ooh, Felix, nice.
Well, that's a pretty good autograph there.
I like them with their own card.
It's a nice signature. And by the way, they stuck it in right.
Yeah.